Okay, what's up, class? One of the restraints for this cantilever project is the area can't be more, any cross-section of your member, the area can't be more than 0.16 inches squared, except for here where you have these designs for the to hold the string. So figure out how to actually do that. See if I remember. Give it a go. Yeah, so let's go with it. So you got to create a new plane. The plane's got to be wherever you want to do the cross section. Okay, so offset from plane. Okay, now we got to find appropriate plane offset one, which is the XY. And I'm just going to, obviously this is 0.4 by 0.4, so it should give us 0.16. I'm just going to show you some offset it 2 inches. Okay, check. Okay, so then you start 2D sketch on that plane. Okay, and then you're going to, I think I like viewing from here. And then you're going to, once you do that, you either hit F7 or you right click and do slice graphics. Okay, and then let's zoom in so you can see what's going on. It gives us a view of the cross section now. Okay, you have a view of a cross section. Then you go project geometry and you go project cut edges. Bam. So now it's projected the cut edges. Okay, so then all you do is go to tools, measure, click here, region properties, click to add the region, calculate, area is 0.16 inches squared, perfect. Okay, so then let's do one more. I'm doing F7 to show you the unslice of the graphic. Okay, so let's finish the sketch. Okay. We're going to take this work plane, okay, click it, okay, and now zoom out. I want it right at the end so you can see a bigger area. And I'm going to do 7.8. Nope, almost 7.9. Nope, 7.95. Perfect, right in the middle. Okay, so then we'll do, open up the sketch. The sketch is already done because we've already done geometry. Okay, so then let's slice graphics. So F7. Okay, tools. Measure, region properties, select the surface, there we go, calculate, 0.28. Okay, so there you go. So that's how what you gotta do to check all of your areas. Okay, and obviously you'll know some will be less, but it's going to be a good check for that. Okay, this is a quick tutorial, but we got a class in 5 minutes. That's good. Okay, thanks a bunch.